Hello guys, and welcome back to this new Unreal Engine tutorial optimization series. And today we are going to talk about RAM. So guys, you need to know that every class on your game or an Unreal Engine game take some plus on your memory in the RAM memory. Okay guys, and to know each element or each class how much memory it is taking, you right click and go to size map. And here you can see each element that your, in my case, my character blueprint is handling or handles. So here I have UIs are taking 120 megabytes, a drone blueprint which is taking 170 megabytes, knowing that the entire character blueprint is taking 274. So for example here the drone is taking too much memory, and my game here is an FPS game, so my drone is not used all the time. Okay, so what I need to do is to optimize my size map. Okay guys, how to do this? We are going to see this together. So guys, here you can organize our classic way of spawning element, and here I have the key button input, spawning an actor which is a drone. Okay, in this way, in this case it's a drone, and this is why my character has this drone loaded in its memory. You can see that if I change this to nothing like this and click save, my drone still here. Why guys? Because this node has already loaded the drone before. So if I delete it now, I click save, I click save, go back here, and you can see that it's not here anymore. So keep in mind that every node that was referencing or linking to blueprint, in my case drone blueprint, still has the blueprint loaded in its memory. So you need to reset all the nodes that you want to optimize. This is a thing. So now you are going to ask me how to spawn a drone without occupying all this memory. So guys, we are going to use these two nodes here, the async load class assets here, and in the asset class you search for your blueprint. In my case it's a drone, but you can see that it's a different class. Why? Because this is a soft class. Okay guys, you can read it, this asset, you can read here asset class object soft class referencing. Okay, the classic way that we used before, here you can see that the object class you want to construct, it's an actor class reference class. Okay guys, so it is a hard referencing, it is heavy. What you are going to do now is you async load class assets. You use the node asset class asset load class assets and combine it with class cast to actor class here. Okay guys, you link the class here. The output must be the complete. When you press key, go to spawn actor, and this is our drone. Now I will just put the transform location, and now you can see that it is working. I click key, like I still have my drone. Okay, this is my drone, but here in the size map I don't have the drone, and it's heavy memory. Okay guys, so also you can right click, go to reference view. Here you can see all the hard references that our character blueprint is linked to. For example, here there is animations, anim blueprint, static meshes, materials, user interfaces. Okay, the white string are the hard references, but here I have my drone, but it is in pink. The pink strings are soft referencing. Okay guys, so you are going to ask me why do we not just put all the references on soft mode? This is because guys, the soft reference is a slow operation. You can see here we have the clock icon. The async load class assets, it is a slow operation. So all the elements that you are using in permanence on your game, for example, in my case, my weapon, you can see this is an FPS, so I need to have my weapon always loaded. Okay, all the elements that you are using all the in permanence need to be on hard referencing, because they must be on the memory already. You use them when you need it. And the elements that you are not using all the time, for example a grenade or a drone in my case, you use this way of spawning in order to save some RAM. Okay guys, so that was pretty much everything for this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and see you next video guys.